Here's some business advice that's painfully obvious once you know it. Smaller promises get bigger conversions. Now, this is super important if you sell knowledge or expertise. Maybe you're a consultant or an agency owner, and people hire you for what you do, what you know, how you can advise them. Now, when I come across people that are these experts in their field, typically solo experts, when they talk to potential customers and clients, what they offer sounds all-encompassing. Indeed, I see people use the word transformative. The problem with that is smaller promises get bigger conversions. People just don't believe you. So here's a framework that we use to break down what we do into smaller chunks. Are you ready? We have 4 offers. The first offer is a gift of high perceived value to strangers. It is like an opt-in gift, a lead magnet. We use that to generate a lead. We offer something that's of high perceived value to our target audience that tackles the headache that they have before they know they need us. That is offer number 1. Offer number 2 is a meeting, but not just any meeting. We're not offering some vague invitation to catch up and explore ways that we can work together, or a discovery session or a breakthrough call. No, we offer something called an AWP, and that stands for an appointment with purpose. So an outcome is built into the meeting. So for example, we offer a B2B funnel mapping strategy call. What's an outcome that you can deliver in 45 minutes? That there is another example of a smaller offer. Start with the gift, move on to the AWP, which is a productized meeting. Number 3, once again, don't offer everything that you do. Offer a high no-brainer. Some people call this a hero product. It's a distilled down version of what you do, bundled up into a package with a beginning, a middle, and an end. And it's a high no-brainer because somebody can quickly make a decision. So rather than trying to sell a $30,000 project, sell a $3,000 audit. That there is a high no-brainer. Then offer number 4, you can introduce your continuity product or service, and that's when you can start to respond to all their broader wishes and desires. That's when you can be transformative. But it's only going to work when the trust is very high. So a stranger offered them a gift to tackle a headache. A suspect, invite them to book a meeting to tackle some of their objections, because all they see are the obstacles. For a prospect, introduce your high no-brainer. That there is going to be about aspirations. And then when they become a client, introduce your continuity offer, which is all about satisfying their desires. Take a moment to take a screen grab of the screen or save this video. If you want to see an example of a gift that we use to get people into our world, check the link in my bio. It'll take a couple seconds to open up a page, maybe count to 10. Then you'll see a gift of high perceived value to our target audience that we use to collect the lead. Then the prospect goes on a journey where we invite them to book a meeting. Once they book a meeting, we introduce the high no-brainer. Once we introduce the high no-brainer and we've got someone as a client, we can introduce our continuity product. But what we're not doing is we're not making big promises too soon. Smaller promises get bigger conversions.